I'm Mick and this is Dim.
And we're two crazies on this wild journey of life.
We love, explore and study this earth full time.
I'm David Attenborough.
And now we've bought a van.
So join us while we flip it into a home every Sunday.
It's van day.
First section of this vlog is going to be like here and there and everywhere because we're still trying to full-time study at university and work because we don't quite have enough money to do the full conversion. We're trying to finish 4 subjects at uni, and to do all of that at once is like freaking crazy. But it's a Thursday in Nunda, where we're living. I think we've decided to start trying to do the floors. The last time that I've held the camera with the tripod with the dead cat on it and everything was like years ago. And Dimmy bought all of this stuff for me. For what? Christmas? It was Christmas.
Hey, it was the end of 2019.
Wow.
Yeah, there you go.
That was
nearly 2 years.
That's kind of when we started dating. I hadn't actually called Dimmy my boyfriend yet.
I called Mickey my girlfriend.
From day one. Be my girlfriend.
Hi, nice to meet you. You're my girlfriend.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so we've got 9 with waist slats. Scattered, 500 mil apart.
Why not 10?
9 fit.
Okay, we say that's enough thinking and deliberating and planning. Let's get to Bunnings! We love Bunnings. Screws. You would never think they would use such a big choice of screws. How are you feeling? How is this screw decision going?
Shouldn't be that big of a decision, but I just want to nail it down.
Five hours later, we have chosen the screw. Builders. Made for trade.
So,
Now you thought screws were bad. So that was round 2 of Bunnings today, my round 1, and we didn't buy anything.
well, that's actually, I think that's good because we're being cautious. We've got to sort of reevaluate a little bit. We're going to get back with the van tonight. It's up until 9 p.m. It's currently 5:30, so.
How many hours do we have?
3.5 hours.
3.5 hours. Round 2, and this time with the van, and we're getting the 3-meter wood planks. We've done a couple more measurements, and we're ready to go.
Actually, that'll be good for the. No. However.
Got a little friend helping us out today.
We're doing the subflooring. does the job. So this part, we're gonna have to clean the surface that we're putting it on. I've got some, I call it the heavy duty liquid nails.
The heavy duty?
So it bonds to all surfaces, which is good. So it's gonna seal up the hole, but also it's gonna be a big point of adhesion. And these self-tapping screws that we've got here, weather coated, as long as you're not using screws that are gonna stick out inches. Go under it, do an inspection before you start drilling in. The diesel tank sits a couple of inches off the floor, which is good, because the diesel tank is actually under this area here. Clean, and you can just start by just giving yourself a good bead. Try and be as neat with it as possible. Yes, adhesives usually do. Top. And then just where you want to give it a good wobble. So we're adding extra, what do I call it? Battens?
Beams.
Beams, planks, framing. God.
All of the above.
I think everyone could, so they name it something else. Anyway, we're adding extra wood.
There you go.
Because this is going to be our walkway. This is pretty much the only exposed area of flooring. Everywhere else is going to have cabinets or a bed over it. So we're adding extra here because we're going to walk. So that's the idea right now.
Cool. She is about to be done. So we've just added a couple of last minute things because once the ply's on top, you can't really change anything. So we've added these bits because of course this is going to be really used. There we go. It is insulation time. Putting this bad boy into the holes. Filling.
Lingo.
Insulation is defined as a thing that keeps you warm. 500. Got my little list going.
Well tape?
Which is not essential. I definitely have seen other bands do it.
Look,
They're real tightly wedged in there.
yeah, they're really tightly wedged in there. It's not necessarily as much for fixing them in. It's also a vapor barrier to seal them and sort of connect them to these.
And it looks pretty!
We've got heaps to go. And a big night ahead of us.
Yay. We're making the call. We're not quite done.
It's getting too dark and
We've got work tomorrow. I've got work kind of tonight.
to be continued.
To be continued.
Tomorrow.
It takes longer than you think.
Yeah, oh my gosh.
So we'll do
Cutting
this
this
tomorrow
up
afternoon.
It's crazy.
So we've cut this template in a piece of cardboard so that we can know where to cut the piece of wood for these wheel arches. So as you can see, the piece of cardboard fits in there perfectly. So then we're gonna lay this onto the piece of ply and cut it out. We're getting a bit tired, so it's been a long day. So we're just gonna cut this and put the ply in and be done. Yoo-hoo! Oh!
Oh, that is perfect.
Benny, are you tired? Always. Always, he says. I will sleep. Always. It's another day, and we're meant to be studying, but We're in the van. The flooring is getting finalised. Dimmy's been doing all the work this afternoon because I have tried to study. But here you go. Last little bit. Oh, look at that accuracy at the end there.
This actually sits inside.
We just cut 4 holes in the van.
Yeah.
Then